while we're on the subject of tile backsplashes, I just feel like it's a great time to talk about patterns. So what are the top search for Google patterns for backsplashes? There's a short list here, and I'm thinking you can guess what number one is. Did you guess it? It is Subway, running bond Subway tile. Why? Because it's timeless, it's budget friendly, it works with every cabinet style, and it's really a safe resale choice. So if someone types in tile backsplash, that's usually what they're thinking about. Next on the list in terms of ranking searches is herringbone. Herringbone is really popular. Usually they use the same format, a rectangular tile. For that, they do that so it feels upscale. That's why people will put in a herringbone tile. We put in some herringbone. By far, we put in more Subway than herringbone, but we've done some herringbone. It adds movement and it's popular. Behind range is a focal point. So some people will do like a Subway, and then at the range, they'll have us do like a herringbone pattern. It's the most common upgrade. So vertical stacked is the next one. And this works really well if you're looking for a modern look. It's just got a real modern aesthetic, architectural feel to it. Clean lines. It's just something that people are looking for. Number 4 on the list is something that we've done also, and I like. It's a minimalist look. It's a large format tile on the backsplash. You just use a big tile, and you, from the countertop to the cabinet, upper cabinet, you just put in these big tiles, tiling around the outlets. One customer we had that we did this for, they took the outlets out of the wall and they put them in the upper cabinets. So it's easy to clean. It's got a luxury feel. It's fantastic. You've probably seen the full quartz or full granite backsplashes. Same idea, but with tile, you can choose all kinds of patterns with tile. Number 5 on the list is mosaic, whether that's a glass and stone or penny tiles or fish scales, or, you know, it could be arabesque. All kinds of things fit into this category, but it's smaller tiles. It just adds a pattern because there's so many of them, and it's still popular in our area, any kind of coastal area, traditional areas. It's less dominant than before. Subway continues to be the boss. So then you've got chevron. We've done some chevron, not real popular. And then this is surprising to me. At the bottom of the list are diagonal and basket weave. So diagonal was really big. We did a whole bunch of diagonal tumbled marble backsplashes years ago, but nowadays not so much. Diagonal pattern is out and Subway is in. So those are your top searches. When you're looking for patterns, you want to think about whether you're going for a minimalist look, or you're going for a high-end look, or an architectural look, or just something that's clean and gonna fit with anything. I'll tell you, here's one. I just measured up for a hexagon tile backsplash. That would fit into like your mosaic, even though they're 5-inch hexagon. So, all right, hope that helps.
Thank you so much for watching. If you got value out of this video, please leave us a like and subscribe. We'll keep bringing you more content like this. And tell us in the comments, what's your favorite backsplash pattern?